Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can fix one of the most frustrating experience as a laptop user, which is when your laptop is taking forever to come up. Now what happens is that there are some background applications that your system also launches during startup. So when you press on, your laptop is not just booting the operating system, it's also starting those applications that are set to automatically come up when you're on your laptop. So how do you fix that? So you right click on your start menu here, you go to task manager. Now under task manager you go to startup apps, and then you disable the applications you make use of on a daily basis, or the applications you know are not sensitive applications. For example, ChatGPT can be disabled, Chrome can also be disabled. I can also disable Copilot, and there are some applications that are essential for your Windows to run properly. So those applications, they are important, they are very important to run automatically when you start up your laptop. So leave them, like the Integraphics command, this security and health, you should leave it. And you will see some drivers also, don't disable drivers. So basically disable those applications you are sure of, the applications you make use of on a daily basis. Okay, so do that and see if there's an improvement. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.